go. Holy mackerel. Johnny Robinson and Simon Chapman.
After a fun and successful first year racing sidecar motocross in 1988, we were hooked. We'd competed in every round of the South Australian Championships, travelled over to Western Australia for the Manjimup 15,000 and Noble Falls, and by the end of it, we knew one thing for sure. We were coming back in 1989, and we wanted to be more competitive. At the end of 1988, an opportunity came up that we couldn't pass on. John Robinson and Simon Chapman were heading over to Europe to race, and they were selling their 1988 EML Sidecar frame. So Darren and I made the 500-kilometre trip from Broken Hill to Adelaide to pick it up. What we got was a bare frame and suspension, but to us it was a huge step forward. On the drive home, we couldn't stop talking about it. What could 1989 look like with a proper race-built setup? Something we didn't have to modify every week. Getting there was another story. We were trying to navigate using an old Adelaide road atlas, borrowed from Darren's dad, and quickly realised it was well out of date. After driving around in circles for what felt like hours, we finally found a phone box, called John for directions, and eventually made it. That road atlas didn't survive the trip. It went straight in the rubbish bin. Next step, finding a donor bike. That's where another mate stepped in, Anthony, better known as Butch Hughes. He had been racing a 1987 Honda CR500 in the local Enduros and had been doing really well on it. After a bit of convincing, we managed to buy the bike, and before long, it was in the back of the ute, ready to be stripped down and rebuilt into the EML frame. From there, it was all hands on deck. Late nights in the shed, putting everything together piece by piece, until finally we rolled it out for the first time. We took it out to Slater's Dam for a test ride. A few slow laps to get the feel for it, then gradually building speed. Straight away, we knew this thing was going to be good. Over that summer, we spent a lot of time riding the local tracks around Broken Hill, getting ready for the season ahead. To test ourselves, we lined up against some of the best local motocross riders at the time. Guys like John Pryor, Butch Hughes, Adrian Channing, Jamie and Troy Bennett. It was the perfect way to gauge where we were at. Now, I can't quite remember where our first race meeting of 1989 was, but I do have this footage from Crystal Brook. On this day, we were lining up against some tough competition. Names like Darren Robinson, Darren Williams, Mark Kendall, Bruce and Mark Gregory, and of course Murray Williams. So here we are, start line at Crystal Brook, a new season, a new bike, and much bigger expectations. Sit back and enjoy stepping back in time to 1989.
And how far he wants to lean over to give the other rider a good ride. Righto, I tell you what, these two boys are sort of getting up a bit. The Victorians are sort of making the ground like I thought they would have. Darren Robinson and Darryl Elliott, here they come, number 2. In first position, in second place. It's our two boys there. The old Tigers colours there. There he goes, playing clock in third position. Right, but he's in full control, there's no doubt about it. In this corner, they've got two very big crews there now. Not very many places to go. Now, we've got a bit of trouble down on the block there. He's back far in a bit, he's not going too well. In second place, Darryl Williams and Mark Kendall. A different look of running as he flies out real high. A good little ride from this boy. Before, it's very funny that corner. It bends the corner. up as the day goes by. Number 12 in third position. Gary Four comes up the line. Mark Gregory, Bruce Gregory. Darren Robertson and Darryl Elliott. Number 2 comes in second place. Good to see them up in second place. They come unstuck in the last race. This time they're making a good job of it. As I said before, they've done a short inside line and does it very well. In third place, Terry Dundee. As they go through there, looking very comfortable in third. Fourth position. Bit of traffic up the back here. 124 gets in the road again. Robbie Crane. There they go, round the corner. Made it easy again. From Victor, from South Australia. As I said before, this is sponsored by the Crystal Brook Hotel in the main street there. Go and get your ales there. Plenty of alcohol, all that stuff you need to drive in Bottle Depot, or I don't know they're driving there, but go and get your stuff there. Go and thank them for sponsoring motocross. They put their money in their hand. So what? I probably don't need it, but I like it. So here we go. Third place is number 12 that comes through there. Robert Taylor and David Oliver. They sort of come, oh, we've got a month. I think it's just beside the sea to fill up or something stopped it up then. Something went front. Maybe a big chain or something or other down the bottom of the track. Very good as they go, but now we're going to go away. Delay in Crystal Brook. And I tell you what, we've got a great time. There goes the this boy. Oh boy, come on, they're making a work. Where do I go from there? As they come down again, here they come around. And plenty of motorcycles pushing it around as they go. Third place. Away. We've got a moto. You want to see up there? Don't put your bike in the trailer.
Hope you enjoyed this old footage. There are plenty more stories to come. In this next video we continue the 1989 season and see just how far this new setup can take us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next episode in this series. Goodbye for now.